replacing these screens, keeping the frames. I'm gonna replace the actual screen and the gasket that goes in between. Just take those out. And this is called spline. Spline that goes into that groove there. And you gotta use, I got fiberglass screen, so you have to have a certain tool, fiberglass screen. Screen will come right out. Screen will go there. I'm gonna replace it. I've torn out the spline on both. Now I'm about to clean up all the residue. Just gotta get the rest of this little bit of the screen out. About to clean this up and vacuum all this extra residue from taking the screen out. And then glue as good as possible. Residue. I'll do that. Next up, I'm gonna clean it. Hit it with this vinegar. All in the grooves. Dry it out. All right, that's good. Nothing wrong with recycling these frames. Frames still solid. Once they have good integrity, good to go. And I got a roll of screen there. Porch and patio is right there. I'm gonna use that right there from a leftover project. I'm gonna screen in my back patio. And I'll be back. What we got now, I got both frames laid out onto that area. And I'm gonna trim around both the outside of them. And then we're gonna go back to the table and I'm gonna go ahead and install the spline. And then after I install the spline, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, trim around the edge of it, and we'll be complete. All right, we're back. Okay, y'all, we're back. Now I have my screen cut out. I got the inside here. Inside groove is there. This is the tool that you use for fiberglass screen, specifically. And here's the package running on base, make to fit. And here's the actual spline. This is the measurement of the spline for my particular screens. All right, I got two sides of the spline in. And it's a little tricky, but it's going on pretty good. The hardest part is trying to keep tension on it while you're trying to roll it in. I ended up switching to the metal one. Made it a lot easier. But it's coming out nicely. All right, y'all, I'm winning this battle with this screen. Got one more to go. Got the spline in 3 sides so far. And a tool like this is also helpful because I was able to go back and kind of press in a little extra, and I could feel it give a little bit. But look at the tension on that screen. It's pretty good. And I just got this last part to go on this side here. I'll be back. Got it in the groove there. I'm just running in that groove. And once I get to the end, I'm gonna trim it. All right. Look at that screw. Got good tension on it. All I have to do is trim the excess off. I'm gonna use a very sharp knife. Trim that up. I'm gonna run it across the side like that. And that one will be complete. And that's the one I gotta do next. I'm gonna go from this angle, try it like this here. Keep that thing flush with the frame. Try to run it. There we go. Little piece there. Hung up. There we go. It's not perfect, but it's very close. There we go. Little piece off. Any little extra piece, you lightly tap it. Come on. That's the last section right here. I can get this, and then I go back and retuck anything on the ends that I need to retuck. But the reason why I went from the inside to the outside edge of the frame, less likely that I'm gonna puncture the screen. If my hand happens to slip. And always cut away from your body. Looks like this.